Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here. If this is your first time here, my name is Iboro and you are highly welcome to my channel. So guys, I make hair videos and I make DIY videos, and in today's video I'm going to be making a DIY video for natural teeth whitening. Yeah, and I'm using a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm gonna be using also a teaspoon of ginger. So yeah, I just looked at this ginger and just cut this size because I was looking for a teaspoon of ginger. I didn't want to use too much of it, so I was looking for a teaspoon of ginger, so I just cut the size and peeled it off, washed it, and yeah, and I'm grating it. I was actually looking for the best part of this grater to use and yeah, because I wanted the ginger to come out smooth and fine. It didn't really come out that smooth, but yeah, it was okay. So yeah, like I said, I was looking for a teaspoon of ginger, and yeah, that's it. I got it. And I'm gonna be adding lemon, so I'm using fresh lemon juice, and I'm using half a tablespoon of this fresh lemon juice. And I'm gonna be adding salt, just a little bit of salt, like a quarter teaspoon of salt. And then I'm gonna be adding toothpaste. So guys, you can use any toothpaste you have available. I'm using Colgate, and just use the normal quantity that you use for everyday brushing. And then I put everything in the bowl and mix it up thoroughly. So guys, in the video I actually watched a video about this and decided to try it out myself. And in that video, after the mixture, it turned white, but I think that's because of the kind of toothpaste that was used there. I didn't see my own turn white, but yeah, it's fine. And also in the video, you're supposed to use a brand new toothbrush, so that's why I had to open my pack of toothbrush and brought out one new toothbrush. So I just went to my bathroom to do the brushing. And yeah, actually this is the second time I've tried this, so I think this actually works. But then it's not going to give you that crazy transformation from yellowish or brownish teeth to pure white. It's going to make a difference, but I think it's a gradual process. If you use it continuously, you are going to see the change. But then, like I said, there was change. My teeth looked a bit brighter, right? But another thing that I noticed is that my mouth stayed fresh for a very long time. In fact, for the whole day, even after eating, my mouth was still fresh. So I think also you can use this if you are battling with mouth odor. But let me warn you guys, this thing is very it's hot. You're gonna feel that tingling. It's gonna hurt you in your mouth. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but yeah, it's painful because everything you're using here, all the agents, all the substance here are very harsh substance, so you're gonna feel some pain in your mouth. But yeah, I think this really works. And like I said, I was in the bathroom, so I decided to step out to the kitchen where there was more light, so you guys can see my white teeth. My teeth actually became brighter than it was before. So yeah, this works. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. Thank you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.